This POV channels here are genius because with few uploads, they hit over thousands and millions of views with thousands subscribers in their channel. I am about to show you step by step how to make POV animals videos for free using free AI tools. Are you ready to make your content go viral? Please, let's get started. I already created master prompt for you, which is under this video description. This prompt are designed for detail structure, camera angles, and detail animation prompts with consistent scenes and make the entire video easily. Step 1. Open ChatGTP. Copy the already made master prompt carefully. After copying, paste it in fresh or new chat and click Generate. Wait for a few seconds. It will generate about 20 tiny animals. Copy one from the list, paste it, and hit Generate. And ChatGTP will start creating detail prompt for selected POV tiny animal. Once ChatGTP finishes, Step 2. Open Whiskey AI, where we begins to turn this prompt into engaging, ultra-realistic visuals. Go back to ChatGTP and copy the first generated image prompt. Once copied, open Whiskey AI and paste the prompt before generating. Select aspect ratio in 9:16 format. YouTube Short or Reel. And for this, I would like to make it vivid. So I will select 16:9. Aspect ratio for YouTube long-form video and hit Generate. This will provide you two images. Check it if it suits your vision, or if not, click on Generate again to give you another pictures. Choose one and save it to your device so we can use it in next steps. Once finished downloading, Step 3. Open Grok AI. Upload the image you just saved into your device. Once uploaded, go back to ChatGTP and copy the second prompt as animation prompt. Paste the prompt into Grok AI prompt box and hit Generate, and will create amazing video for you. When the video is ready, carefully take the last frame of the video, save it to your device. This steps is very important. Take note. Upload the last frame downloaded in Grok again. Return to ChatGTP and copy the third prompt. Paste it into the Grok AI prompt box and hit Generate. Seconds, it provide another video. Download the end frame and save it to the device again. Make sure you save every generated video end frame correctly for better video animation. Continue the remaining prompt with the same process. Each time save the last video frame, upload into Grok AI, and go for the next animation prompt at ChatGTP. Generate all video clips one by one. Hello friends. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribing button to help us all bold grow. Next, open your best editing app and start edit your videos. For this tutorial, I will be using CapCut. Open CapCut Editor. Select New Project. Import all videos clips into CapCut Editor. After importing, begin to drag all video clips according to scene by scene or correct sequence into the timeline. The researcher holding tiny animal is the first scene. Add transitions between them and you are good to go. Thank you very much for watching.